Hello friends, hope you all are doing well. In this video we are going to see how we can get rid of articles that are automatically added to our Google profile and making our profile polluted. Sometimes you might have accepted the suggestions made by Google Scholar once and which will be repeating again and again, making our profile polluted. So we will see how we can get those articles out of our profile and make our profile clean and cool. So let me go to Google Scholar and make sure you are in your profile page, which is means this icon means that you are already logged into your Google account, and click on this my profile link. You will get to see your profile, and sometimes you might find there might be some articles that are not yours and that are polluting your profile. So click on this plus icon here and choose configure article updates. In your case it might look automatically update the list of articles in my profile. Switch it to don't automatically update my profile, send me email alert to review and confirm the updates. So once you click on this option button and click on update settings, automatically your profile will become updated with the configuration that whenever there is a new article that might be looking like yours, and you will get an email alert regarding that article. Once you accept only, it will be added to your profile. So this is what you have to do. Let me repeat it again. Go to your profile and then click on this plus icon and choose configure article updates. From automatic update, make it to manual one. That means don't automatically update my profile, and click this update settings. And hereafter you will not get any unwanted articles to your profile, and your profile will look clean and perfect. Thank you so much.